Ron, my good friend, how are you? What I'm going to do right now is just go over a little bit about a couple of the back offices, just so you can see some of the capabilities of what we're able to do. As you can see, the layout is very clean, very brisk. There's star tabulations, tools, training, lead capture generation, a wallet that's in the back as well. All these things are pretty much standard for this particular back office that we actually have for the $5 funnel. I'm showing you there was a training video that was here as well that gives you a walkthrough of the back office, shows you some payment options, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Very clean progress meter to show what all people were able to do when they came into the back office. If they join now, once they watched the video orientation, join the $5 funnel, join us socially, invite people. Every time one of those things is clicked, it increases the progress meter so that they can see what's going on. And as you actually check the boxes, you see the progress meter went to 20%. Okay, and this is after watching orientation. Now they can watch the orientation video, same thing. Once they do that, they go here, check the box, right? Progress meter goes to 40%. Just showing that these are things that will take people step by step if they're using any of our applications. You can see it's very clean, very professional. The color spectrum is even something we take into account. The green, very eye-capturing, very good when you're dealing with a monetary system, when you're talking about transacting money. People love to see that actual color. Okay, these are just some examples here. Some individuals join us here. Okay, so they can actually connect with us. You see how the progress meter still goes up. Then also when we go to invite people, okay, same thing, click here. And this is where they have the sharing aspect and how they actually are able to do that. Once they click that, that will give them a progress 100% complete component. And from there, they basically are in a position whereas now they've done what they need to do as far as understanding the actual business. From that point, they can go watch the compensation plan video, which we did as well. Okay, it's just like a dummy account. We'll just set this up so I can show you. Okay, they can actually see here as well information on who the person is that particularly may have sponsored them or actually showed them the business. For us, because what you're doing with the do a dollar, we can have that there to actually show information on whoever the person is they're sending the donation to, or whoever they're actually sending the money to, what the event is. They can take notes there if they want to. Those notes can be used to send out to their friends and say that they have why they should particularly support this cause, a person or individual. If there's any problems, anything, they can submit tickets from this back office to us and let us know if they're having any issues with their account, retrieving money, or anything of that nature as well. That is something we can have available to them as well. We go to the tools tab you see here. Everything is very clean. Resource tools, the wallet, joining them socially, the mapping. That's a heat map. What that actually does is actually allows people to see who actually is connecting to them and actually donating or actually joining their network at the same time. I'll show you just an example here so you can see it. Okay, it takes a little second, give it a moment. Okay, what this heat map did for us in our first 16 hours, you see everywhere where there are numbers at, all over the globe, those were new orders, Ron, okay, all over Algeria, Spain, Italy, Greece. We zoom in anywhere, the heat map was showing where people were actually joining the opportunity and actually paying $5. And we're talking about just literally spending $1. So you can only imagine the exponential growth that you're going to experience, the amount of people that you'll be able to help. It's going to be astronomical, man. It's just I'm getting so many ideas even looking at this right now. And as you can see, it's very flexible. We can have the same thing inside of ours as well for you. Let me see what else we want to show you. Just give you some off-the-cuff examples. The wallet, I know you're talking about transferring it into like a gift card, but when we elevate after we do the proof of concept, we'll be able to show them how they can do different themes. It's just so much. It's just very robust what we can do. Show them we can do lead generation for them. That's no issue at all. That's what we do anyway. I'm just showing you the back office component right now. We show them how to get trained on how to better market, how to access everything in their back office correctly. Everything's very clean. There were 3 different tiers in the $5 funnel. They could have joined at $5, a $20 or $99 level, but you're not going to have something. We use that also for a scale up for us. If you want to give individuals the capability to be able to, send more money or get a larger gift card, we can do that as well. We can have some trainings back here, videos to show them how to engage with individuals, stuff like that. That will be here as well. What else? Think of just showing you so you can just see visually how things can actually be laid out back here inside the back office. Okay, here with the rates, play money. Okay, this is just showing you how detailed it can be. We can put trainings back here as well. Any other things that we want to market, they can listen to audios from back there. We can add books, coursework on other nonprofit initiatives that they may want to join. Other incentives like birthdays, weddings, child events, things like that. There's so much that we can do. Okay, we go to the lead generation tab. This shows how many leads came in, what people were buying. You're gonna, of course, we're gonna have the same thing as well. We can export information out of here as well. Okay, capture email addresses as well. We want to connect them via Facebook. Remember, I told you we want to work Instagram. We're going to work Twitter as well. Got great contacts with Twitter and Facebook both. And then we'll be able to look at trending topics as well. I can think of 50, 60 different ways that we could utilize the application. You guys are just thinking about primarily like for the birthdays right now, but there are probably at least, I've came up with another 25 just since I left from meeting with you on what can be done with this and how it can be used. Okay, so which is very, very interesting. Now, we also can, if a person wants to, well, we're not going to really need that because people are not going to be unsubscribing because it's just only spending $1. But if we want to be in a position to share, the link, because that's what we had here, where they can share their affiliate link and get other people to sign up. If we want to share the information, the birthday information or whatever, invite people. You see, you scroll over everything; it's very clean. If they want to share, they want people to join, if they want to invite people, that's all capable and available as well. Okay, they can add commentary on here. Click that. All right, and what else do I want to do here? Okay, hold on. We want to export the emails. We can do that as well. If they have contacts that they want to export them out of the system and save the people that they actually have already sent money to, whatever. We could do that. But in our back office, we could actually track who all paid, who didn't pay, how much money they actually sent. That was the thing that was very, very important. We had their phone number, their email address, their full name, what their start dates and everything were. Tabs can be manipulated and moved around also as well. We need to have that information for ourselves. We're going to have we're going to have millions of users. I know that millions of people are going to be making dollar gifts to a multitude of individuals. So you can only imagine how important that's going to be for us to be able to do that. Okay, on this tab here, okay, we go to personal info. They can put their personal information in there in the back office, who their carrier is in case we ever want to go into a texting component. Like I know as you can see from some of the videos that I sent you, we know quite a bit about texting. We've been involved in texting applications and creating them for over 7-8 years. Killed the market with those, very strong. What else here? Okay, the sponsorship, showed that. They want to contact whoever told them about gifting their $1. We could do that, but this is just some of the functionality here just for this particular application. What else do we want to go to? Just trying to see if I'm forgetting anything here. Just wanted you to just be able to see the clean functionality of it. Again, we do ASP, PHP as well, Matrix Flash, you name it, we can build it. That's the great thing about working with us. And then we're very, very versed in hard coding, not in templates. Everything you see is all customized, from the visuals, from the little men to the logo to the color spectrum to the framing. There's nothing here that's out of a box. Everything is set, framed, and placed graphically and coded, hard coded directly for the application, and that is really what you want. So, all right, you guys, and Ron, I guess that will do it for now. And let me know if you have any questions, brother. I'll probably just make one more video from different back office as well.